Ebola is a viral disease with no real treatment, and it is deadly 80% of the time. VCU Medical Hospital is fully prepared for a possible outbreak. Dr. Richard Wenzel, former chairman of the Department of Internal Medicine at VCU, claims that the possibility of the disease actually arriving in Richmond is very low.
Yeah, it's important to emphasize that Ebola is an unforgiving virus, and it's spread through body fluids. The key is personal protective equipment. So we've learned a lot, I think, from the missteps that occurred in Texas, and I know that VCU has been going through an enormous amount of training, led in part by Dr. Gonzalo Bierman.
The VCU Medical Center are very serious about their healthcare infection prevention. There are over 100 negative pressure rooms that would allow the hospital to isolate a possible Ebola patient. Right here in Richmond, Virginia at the MCV Hospital, there is an Ebola care plan in process. They will isolate and quarantine anybody that is suspected of carrying Ebola before they run any tests to make sure that the coast is clear and that everything is okay. The VCU Hospital is very confident that they are prepared and ready to contain and prevent anything that may come their way. For VCU News, this is Evan Ratner saying stay safe, Richmond.